Hey, today I have some really cute new exclusive products from the Happy Planner for Cyber Week to show you. And I'm going to show you yesterday's deals and today's deals. I have other stuff up my sleeve, but that will happen towards the end of the week. But anyway, let's get started on these products here. So if you didn't know, Cyber Week is a pretty big deal here in Happy Planner land. And yesterday we had this really cute bundle that released, and I'm going to show it to you. It is still available. Today, some exclusive items released, including this planner cover, these discs, and a celestial punch, which I do not have to show you. Also today, you can get 40% off planner accessories. All the planner accessories on sale. That's a really good deal. And in the description box, I'm going to have all the deals listed for you. There's a ton of stuff coming up and really exciting discounts and stuff like that. Exclusive stuff. All right, let's first look at this adventure bundle. This is called the Adventure Calls Clear Tote Travel Bundle. The price on this is $29.99, retail value of $64.96. So let's check out what's inside here. First, you have this clear tote, obviously. This is like a silicone type tote. So this is 10 inches wide by 7.5 inches tall and 2 inches deep, 2.5 inches actually. I got a little messed up in shipping, but all the other ones I've seen, no one's had that problem except for me. So I guess I'm the lucky one. Anyway, it's a cute little clear tote. You can put all of your little planner supplies with, you travel around with you, whatever. I plan to use it just to throw stuff in to travel to my living room when I'm planning out there. Okay, so you get that, and then you get a full-size sticker book and 2 bookmarks and some classic discs. Really good deal because these are $21.99 as it is, you know what I mean? Ooh, my nails match that sticker book. Look at that. So let's look at these bookmarks. I'm gonna save the sticker book for last, you guys. You know I do that. Okay, so we get 2 classic size bookmarks. These are really cute. They say explore and create your own adventure. And you can just pop them in your planner to keep your place or to, you know, section off your planner for different stuff. I think that's really cute. Look at it. You have all the places you're traveling to there. These discs are metal. They are in the color Ocean, which I think it's a new color. Let's check it out. I'm adding these to my disc collection. I've got a bunch of them. I don't know about you, but I really like to collect these because it's fun to just change up your planner with different colors, you know? Whoops. Okay, so this is what they look like. This really pretty like teal color. I like the metal discs especially, so these are awesome. Actually, before I show you the Adventure Call sticker book, because I am going to do that very last, I'll show you the things that are available today. So this is part of that bundle, but then today a couple of new things released. We have some more metal discs. These are classic metal discs. This one is really cool. So look at that. Do you see anything different about those? I know. They are snowflake discs and they're in this really pretty color of this like light blue, metallic. Ooh, like look how pretty those are. I really like these a lot. They're a little sharp on the inside. Don't cut yourself. And then these ones, so these are like special holiday discs. I almost said holiday gifts. Holiday discs. Discs is really hard to say over and over again, so don't do it. Let's check out these. Joy. So they say joy. That's kind of cool. Something different rather than your average heart, right? These are also metal. They are gold. These colors actually look really good together, don't they? These two. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, wait, and these two. Look. A nice trio of beautiful disc colors. I really like these. All right, so let's check out this big planner cover. Okay, yes, I said it. Big planner cover. Can you believe it? So I recently got a comment on my YouTube channel saying, Mary Ellen, why doesn't the Happy Planner put out any big size snap-in covers? Like, what's the matter? Why aren't they doing that? I really want one. Me too. And I was really pleased to see that there is one. It is in the color Bubblegum Pink. And if you're new to the Happy Planner and don't know, like this is a snap-in cover, so it's gonna, well, let me just demonstrate it, wait. This is my regular planner. Might touch all, whoa, I've got stuff falling all over the place. It's been a busy week, you guys, a busy week, and it's only Tuesday. So let's take off this cover. And you basically just pop it in. You just pop it in. So you can change up your covers whenever you want with these snapping covers. I love these. This one, some of them are like hard, or at least the older ones were more like hard cardboard. This is like flexible. Do you see? It's really pretty. It has some pockets too. So we have one pocket here, another one like so, and then the back cover has one as well. So you can shove your papers in there, make it as big as you want. Just go ahead and shove them in. Anyway, then when you want to switch your cover, you just pop it off and put another one on, and then you're good to go. I love having a stockpile of like regular planner covers and specialty deluxe covers or snapping covers, because then I can switch it up all the time. And I never throw away when I get rid of, this is besides the point, but when I get, like when it's the end of the year, or say I have extra planners that I'm not going to use or whatever, if they're dated, I pull them apart after the year's over. I save the guts, I save the discs, and I save the covers, and I save the dividers. So I like to pull apart my planners into bits and pieces and save them in different places. So I really enjoy having like a collection of covers that I can switch up whenever I want to. Let's check out this Adventure Calls sticker book, because I'm all for an adventure. I have not looked at this yet, but it looks really, really cute. So let us check it out. We'll see what this is all about. It's obviously travel related, and you know I'm all about that. We just talked about that in that other video. So the first page is rose gold foil here. We have Find Me Under the Palms, Bring the Sunshine, If There Aren't Palm Trees, I'm Not Going. Well, that's kind of, I don't know how I feel about that. Actually, I like to alternate, I think I said this in the other video, but I like to alternate between tropical vacations and cultural vacations. So I think I'm due for a tropical vacation, just saying. Mike, are you watching? Okay, travel day, fun day, home, pack, all that good stuff. Adventure Calls, create your own adventure. So this is an interesting color palette. There's lots of colors in here. Some people find that difficult to work with spreads. I think it's refreshing because you can just throw all of the colors in and not worry about matching it, because it's all gonna match already. So I like that. We have Keep Exploring, Living the Dream, Just Relaxing, Being Adventurous, Seeing Sights, Date, Place, Details, Vacay Vibes, Who, What, When, Where, all that good stuff. So these look different. They're like square, no, actually they're a little rounded. Look. They're a little bit rounded on the outside, and they're rounded even more in the middle. That's new. Interesting. Okay, so those were on paper. These are clear. We have these little cute illustrations. Look at these. They're so cute. So obviously kind of tropical vacation vibes right here. Little itty bitty stickers that you can pop in for bits of color in your spreads, or, you know, create a whole pattern out of those. I don't know. This is like, I don't think this, is this rose gold? I mean, I'm gonna get messed up with the colors again. The metal colors always screw me up. It's not really rose gold, and it's not really gold. Wait, I don't know what it is. Do you guys know? It's kind of rose gold. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You can see it. Tropical State of Mind, Bring the Sunshine, Time to Relax, Good Times and Tan Lines. So some fun quotes here. It's like a color story sticker book where we have themes. So we're going into the next theme. Be an explorer of the world. Let's go on a road trip. Wonder Seeker. That's really cute. Trip itinerary. Okay, so each theme you're going to have the same types of pages, like this Keep Exploring page that I read to you before. They're all going to be sort of the same with different stuff on them and different colors, which is fun. And you're going to get, oh, this is like green foil. Do you see that? Like a light green foil? That's really cute. And it's like matte foil. It's not too shiny. Look at these little illustrations. They're cute. Look at the bear and the dog. Again, these are on clear. We have some fishing stickers. These are really cute. I like these a lot. I love the trees. So this is all new stuff. I've never seen any of these designs from the Happy Planner. So we have the same kind of quotes, not the same exact quotes, but they have the green foil on them, which is nice. Yeah, they're really cute. Wanderlust, Look Up and Get Lost, Road Trip, Route 66. Okay, next theme, Just Get Out and Go. New adventure awaits, explore, dream, discover. This is a cute color palette. It's like pastel-y, really pretty. So this is what this page looks like. Not much to say. I mean, it's the same kind of page. It's just different colors and different little illustrations on it. This is obviously like, I guess, a city kind of theme, right? We have taxis and buildings and stuff. A little fountain there, some pizza. I guess it's like New York City. And then this foil is silver. Ooh, that's really cute. I like that. I love this. New adventure awaits. Let's go with your little taxi cab. That's so cute. Looks like we are getting into more beachy stuff here. Beach, sleep, repeat. Finding paradise, high tides, and good vibes. And we have, this page is going to have light blue foil, which is really cute. Beach time. Whoops. And some more beachy things here, some lighthouses and little drinks and a dolphin. Oh my gosh, so cute. There's a whale too. A little turtle, really cute. Finding paradise wherever I go. You think I'm gonna name all these when I make a spread? I probably will. I can't do it. You guys, I can't make a spread and not name them now. I've started this habit, and then if I don't, I feel bad. Like I'll feel sorry for that seagull. Like, Sam the seagull. Like I didn't name him, and you know, now I did, but I'll never remember that. He's gonna have a different name when I use him in a spread, but yeah, I can't. I feel like they have feelings now, and that's so ridiculous. Honestly, very ridiculous. Okay, this rose gold foil. See, on this page it looks like rose gold. On the other page it didn't. Find joy in the journey, eat well, travel often. Always, what does that say? Always away we go. It's hard to read because the light in here is like dark now. Anyway, not your problem. Love life, weekend trip. Ooh, so what is this? I guess it's Europe, you guys. We're in Europe. Yeah, because that looks like Tuscany maybe. I've been there. That looks like maybe, oh, I was going to say a Parisian cafe. Then I saw the Eiffel Tower. So yes, so we're in Europe here. More of that foil on this page. Look at that little scooter. That little pink scooter is cute. We have a little passport. These are so cute. Like the details in these stickers are really, really cute. That little mug, what does that say? Wait. Oh, it just says coffee with a little design. But that little Polaroid, these are really cute. So if you like to travel, this is going to be your kind of book. So this is different. This page, oh wait, we're going into different types of things now. Okay. So these are little tiny icon stickers, but these are on paper. And they're going into all the themes. So you have the beach and the camping and then the city and stuff. More beach and then, yeah, okay. I like that because there's going to be enough of the little illustrations to just pop in little places in your spread. Bunch of headers here in all of the colors. Lots of little airplanes so you can fly all over your planner page. And then we have a bunch of boxes that are going to match the colors. I like those colors together. They're really cute. We have several sizes of boxes. We have some of those guys in the middle. I don't know what to call them, but you know what they are. And then a bunch of airline stickers, you know, and bullet points here. And then these were in the last travel sticker book, so we definitely have seen these little things before, but how cute. And you don't even have to use these in a travel spread, like these little pins. They're so cute. You could use them in like a regular spread to pin a box to your page. I think that would be adorable. You could pin all the boxes to your page. I'll never remember that. I'll never remember that these are in here. There's probably some in the last book I didn't use. And then we have maps, lots of maps, and then a big map back. I think you get two, yeah. You get one of United States and then one of the world. So you can mark in all the places you've been if you want to. You can take those little pins. These are on clear, So you can take those little pins and put them everywhere you've been. Maybe I'll do that for fun. Anyway, that's an adorable sticker book. I really like that one. So if you didn't pick that up, you might want to get this little set, you know, before it sells out, because I don't know how long it's gonna be. You could wait till the weekend for like free shipping and stuff, but it's a gamble. Like, it's a risk you take doing that because I don't know if it's gonna sell out. They sent me this little gift pack of 2 Micronotes notebooks, and I think they're so cute. Like, they would be perfect as a gift for someone for Christmas. Like, say you have, I don't know, like a teenager who likes to plan. I would have loved to have gotten this when I was younger. I mean, let's face it, I love it now too. But you know what I mean? Like, it's so cute. I love mini things, so I always liked the Micronotes, and I'm really glad that they brought them back. So these are limited edition. Oh my gosh, look at that, a little pack of paper. What? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Wait. Ah, there's one on that side too. Look how cute. Oh, you get extra paper. Aw. I just love this. They're in their little homes, their little compartments. You know what I mean? That's so adorable. So this one says you were capable of amazing things. It has these clear little plastic discs. And then it's got dot grid paper with the little confetti in the middle. Look at that. Is cute. With your little extra filler paper. Oh, the inside is striped. There's the back, like little black polka dots. And this is the size. It is the size. Smaller than my hand. Yeah. Okay, so then we have this one. This little cutie pie, Keep on Dreamin'. We've got that really fun pattern. It's like graph and then the discs. And then inside, inside we have black with white polka dots. And then we have just lined paper. This is the lined, like dotted line paper with the little stripes in the middle. So, okay, I don't know. I just really like these. You can put your secret, it can be like your secret spy notebook, or it can be, I don't know, you can keep it in your purse. I used to like always keep one in my purse. You could keep it in your purse just for jotting down your random thoughts throughout the day, or like gift ideas for people, or things to buy at the grocery store. There's so many ways to use these, and I'm so glad to see them again. I missed you guys. All right, I just wanted to show you that. I actually filmed this after the entire video, and so you're gonna see now the end of the video without these cuties, but it's $14.99 for the set. Okay, so they're available now as well. Let me know in the comments what you think of this new stuff. And like I said, plenty of deals this week. All the details will be in the description box along with my affiliate link. It's always appreciated when you use that. And yeah, stay tuned this week for more deals from me. I'll be posting other videos with flip throughs of the new limited edition stuff. So have a good day, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye.